mob of Nambol Bazar today staged a sit-in protest in support of Kokomi at Nambol Bazar of Bishnupur district. The protesters displayed placards that read, Indo-Naga talk should not affect the integrity of Manipur. Long live Manipur. They said that they will intensify protests if the Indo-Naga peace talks disrupt the territorial integrity of Manipur. A 2-day state-level training program for police officials of Manipur on prevention and investigation of cases on human trafficking and child abuse has kicked off today at the banquet hall of FAST-MR Imphal. The program is organized by FXB India Suraksha, an NGO based in Delhi under the Mukti project, which is an anti-child trafficking project. Police officials and personnel from different districts of the state are attending the training program. MLA P. Sarachandra Singh today inaugurated Thangjing Sindham Sangh, a skill training center under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana at Hilem Laikai, SBI Building, Moirang. Chairperson of Moirang Municipal Council M. Romibala Devi, CEO of KB Philanthropy Imphal, L. Manoranjan and CEO MLA Office, Moirang PH Nilamani were also present at the event. The center is likely to sign agreements of peace with 4 militant groups of the Northeast soon as talks between them have been progressing fruitfully till now. According to media reports, these 4 militant groups include the United Liberation Front of Assam, National Democratic Front of Bodoland, Karbi Group and Kuki Group. While the first 3 militant groups are from Assam, the Kuki Group is a Manipur-based militant outfit. Rainforest Club Tamenglong under the aegis of Tamenglong Forest Division organized the 5th Amul Falcon Festival at the Unity Stadium, Tamenglong. Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force K. Angami and Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong Armstrong Pame attended the festival. The festival was organized to mark the 100th year of Tamenglong.